Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace the CoralPor Frit of your silver chloride reference electrode. Now in order to do this, you're going to need a piece of blade, your replacement CoralPor tips, your storage vial that has your saline solution. It could be your sodium chloride or your potassium chloride depending on what you're using, a tweezer, syringe needles for the refill solution, your waste speaker, and your heat gun. Now, if you don't have a heat gun, you can use either a blowtorch, a lighter, or even a Bunsen burner if you do have access to one. First, grab your reference electrode. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a cut at the bottom. Essentially, you're gonna want to cut the plastic portion of your frit. Sometimes your solution may also be contaminated, right? And if that happens, you may want to replace it with a fresh solution of 3 molar sodium chloride or potassium chloride, again, depending on what you're using. You can use your syringe needle to aspirate or remove the solution out of the electrode. Once you are done washing it and ready to refill it with your fresh solution of sodium chloride or potassium chloride, make sure that you drain it well because you don't want your left or excess water to potentially dilute your refill solution. And if you're unable to do that with your syringe needle, you can grab a Kim wipe and lightly tap. Now we're ready to replace the CoralPor. Grab one of your replacement plastic tubes and insert it directly. And one of your replacement CoralPor Frits. Here and insert it directly as well. Now, to prevent it from moving while you're heat shrinking it, you can grab a piece of wooden stick or anything that would fit inside the plastic tube so that you could lightly press the CoralPor Frit against the electrode while you're exposing it to the heat gun. So I'm going to turn on my heat gun. Now slowly rotate while exposing it to the heat. Notice how there is an excess plastic tube up here. You can just easily remove that by cutting it using your blade. Make sure that there are no bubbles trapped in there. If there are, you can just lightly tap to get rid of it. Or even with your finger. So the next step is to store this in your storage vial with your saline solution for at least overnight. 24 to 48 hours, and the reason is you want your new CoralPor Frit to equilibrate with your solution before you actually use it. After 24 to 48 hours of equilibration with your saline solution, make sure that you do the viability test using a voltmeter against your master reference electrode. For more information, you can actually check out the product insert that comes with your reference electrodes. It shows you how you can remove the sheet of your reference electrode, how you can store it, but also how to do the viability test. And for more information, you can also check out our website at www.basinc.com. Thanks for watching.